Depth effect wallpaper not working on iPhone, or how to set depth effect wallpaper. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open the settings app on your mobile device. Also make sure that you are on iOS 16 or later. If you don't have iOS 16 or later, then depth effect does not work on your iOS. So now, once you're inside the settings, scroll down and tap on the wallpaper option available in there. Once you tap on the wallpaper, you will get to see all of your lock screens available there, and all you have to do is tap on the customize button available. Now, in there you can see two layers of square available. Now all you have to do is tap on it from the bottom left corner. Then you can see depth effect on or depth effect off. Simply tap on the on, and that will be. Once set, your lock screen clock should appear behind the subject, giving a cool 3D subject. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.